This is part 2. Oh god. Holy shit, what the fuck is going on? I can't even get the door open, dude. This is insane. Holy shit, dude. What the fuck is... This storm is insane. Oh my god. You see it? It's like a snow globe. It is a snow globe. This is crazy. That literally... literally piled up to the door, like... Wow, dude. Alright. This is 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes after the first video. That's crazy. Pile of snow in 15 minutes, 10 minutes.
What's up, everybody? I just made the Herald News. I was where was I? South Main Street. I was coming back from the Tiverton line. Hey, we're doing a picture. I went like this, but I had the hood on, shit like that, and then the car was beeping in the back of them, so they had to leave. I hope they got the picture. I was like, oh come on, just put me in the paper. But I went like this. They did take a picture. So
Wow, and you were in the middle of the snowstorm.
yeah.
No shit. And they, because you're the only motherfucker on a bike in a snowstorm.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking too.
Wow. That's crazy. Pretty awesome though, actually.